Okay, so I'm going to try to video working down in this area. I don't know how well that's going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot. So the camera stand, the tripod is in the way, but I think maybe I can get some of that showing up here. Let's try it and see. Does that show up? Yeah, okay. So what I'm doing is, well, let me give you a better view. So there's the fluting, and right now it stops roughly right about there. I'm going to try to continue it on a little deeper. If you can see, there's a remnant of the drill hole where I drilled through here, straight through there like that to open up the throat area, and then opened it up further with files. But there's a remnant of drill hole of the where the drill went through right there. I'm at least going to eliminate that. So I'm going to zoom back out a little bit, and hopefully that way I can keep it in camera better and not go out of frame. And of course I'm using my my new knife here that I made, which I just sharpened. And hopefully it's sharp enough to take some fine shavings. I may start this on camera and then finish off camera later, but I'll at least try to show some of it. It's yeah, there we go. I need more light in there, don't I? But maybe you can see. One thing I need to do is wrap a little piece of tape right there, because I keep putting my thumb right here, and it's sharp right there. So it should be sharp. I sharpened it and on a Japanese stones, and those are really good at sharpening knives. So I'm just going to wrap that little bit right there. Okay, let's try that. Can you see in there? I don't have a good center line established way down in there. That center line was made using a center mark, and you can still see little pinholes from the compass. I'm going to leave those because I like to leave a few tool marks so that if someone looks at this many years from now, they will say, oh yeah, that was handmade, not made on a CNC machine. I was looking at a Guarneri del Gesù scroll recently, and it has gouge marks all along the scroll. So he was not as meticulous as about being perfect as Stradivari was, and neither am I. So I like to see some tool marks, but not that drill mark. I may not be able to get to that on camera. I might have to dig down in there off camera, but at least you can see some of what I'm doing here. If I don't bump it. There we go. hope there's enough light in there to see what I'm doing, or for you to see what I'm doing. I can see it, but there's a lot of shadow in there. And the dogs are taking off, chasing a shadow. There's the drill hole gone. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do on camera. In the video, I'll work on the other side off camera. But that kind of shows you how I'm getting down into that narrow area. So I'll wrap it up there, and that's going to pretty much finish it up for the scroll. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is working on the fingerboard, and then I can position it on here and start removing this waste wood along the sides. So that kind of wraps it up for now. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I spent some time off camera working on it, and I've fluted all the way down into there on both sides. This side was more difficult because I'm right-handed, and I kind of need to be left-handed to do well on that side. or sorry, this side. This side is the difficult side. But I managed to get down in there. Kind of basically got right about to there. Where's a pointer? So yeah, I got down to right about there, which is about as good as I can do, I think. Same thing on this side. So basically that's the scroll finished. I'll zoom out and give you a big view. So there it is. Next I'm going to be working on the fingerboard. So stay tuned for that.